Okay, good. So you see the instructions on the screen, okay? Basically, read through quickly. If you have any questions, because it's a small class, you don't need to raise your hand in the chat group. You can just call teacher waiting over over the screen. Okay? Okay, so very quickly, what I'm going to show you is today we will be doing logic questions. Okay? Logic questions are basically don't need to really add and minus. Okay, a lot is using your common sense. It's questions you have definitely seen before, but it might be a bit new to you. So you just take some time to do them. Okay, so I have some logic questions prepared for the class. That's why I need you to have your phone because I will be showing the questions on the screen and I will be switching from the Kahoot screen to this screen on and off. So it's quite confusing. So you all have to bear with me. After we are done with these logic questions, okay, we will move into revision questions for P3. So I will give you another short Kahoot quiz on P3 questions that you should know how to do. Are we good? Okay, before we start class, I think let's do a round of introduction. So I want each of you to introduce yourself, your name, and what school you're from. Can we quickly do that before we start? Okay, Kayla, we start from you.
Michaela from CHIJ.
Michaela from CHIJ. Actually, I asked Kayla to start first. Can. Okay, so hello, Michaela from CHIJ. Kayla, your turn.
I'm from Jianmin Primary School.
Okay, so that's Kayla from Jianming Primary School. And Suan, yourself?
I'm Suan from Fuchun Primary School.
Okay, can. So, Suan, last time were you with 88 tuition
Yeah, last time.
for maths as well? So last year, is it? Online tuition?
Last year, yeah, but it's not
Okay,
online.
can. Oh, not online. You did the video one lah. Your own self tutorial kind of thing. Okay, I understand. So this format is a bit different, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm teacher waiting. Along the way, if you have any questions, you just call out my name and let me know. So for Michaela and Suan, because this is the first time I'm seeing you, after lesson, can I just speak to mommy and daddy quickly, just to introduce myself and let them know how lesson is going to look like? Okay, can? Okay, without further ado, let me show you. Okay, this is the first question. Before we go into that, so this is where I need you to take out your device. Okay, and we are going to start. I need you to log onto this screen. Suan, how come you say the option is C?
The yellow triangle, the yellow square is also, the ladybug is also in 3 of them.
Oh, wait, we have one thing. Okay, go on, never mind.
The ladybug is in 3 of the shapes.
Okay, so wait, Michaela, let me speak with Wan Xing first. Wan Xing, are you here? Can you turn on your video very quickly? Okay, Wan Xing, you have another device, your handphone?
Yes.
Okay, can you log on here? Kahoot.it. Your PIN number is this one. We have already started on the first question. Okay, so uh the PIN number is 1589974. Let me type it in the group chat for you in case you need. 1589974. Okay. While you are logging in, let me explain the first question. Okay. So Michaela, what she says is, do you notice that this ladybug here is inside the square, the triangle, and the circle? It's inside all the shapes, right? Therefore, you choose option C. Understand? Can? So this ladybug is inside all the shapes. Therefore, the answer is C. All right. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Wan Xing, are you logged in? Okay, great. So let's move on to the next one. Question 2. So complete the pattern. It shouldn't be too difficult. Look at the color and look at the shapes. I have one more student. Okay, so we have 3 people who got this correct, 1 person who got this wrong. Okay, quick show of hands. May I know who got this question wrong? Michaela. Okay, Michaela, look. The star is what is the color of the star? On the top, this image, what is the color of the star?
Purple.
Purple. So do you notice this circle is also purple? So if this is not color, what do you think this will be? What shape do you think it will be? If you follow the pattern here. Will it be a star or circle here, Michaela?
Circle.
Circle, right? Will the circle be colored or not colored?
Not color.
Yeah, so the answer is C. How come you didn't manage to get it correct? What happened?
Press wrongly.
Okay, can you try better the next time? All right, don't make the careless mistake. This is a very simple question, so answer is C. Good job, the rest of you. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. So you only have 2 options. Let's look at this. This is a bit of a English kind of question as well. So just try your best. If you're not sure, just try your best. I have 2 more students. Okay, once again, 1 person got this wrong. May I know who it is again? Oh, Taylor. Okay, interesting. Okay, okay, Michaela, can you explain to the class? How come you say the answer is A? Right? Try and explain why did you choose A? Why is sweets a bigger group? Do you use the words or do you use the diagram?
Words.
The words. Okay, which part of the words tell you that sweets is a bigger group? Not sure. You're not sure why? Okay, Tsen, can you explain?
It's the diagram.
You use the diagram. Okay, so which part of the diagram shows that sweets is a bigger group?
The green thing.
Okay,
Green
so
circle.
Kayla, if you look at the diagram, like what Tsen says, This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. They are all, Kayla, are you paying attention? All the diagrams that I have ticked in red, they are all sweets. Correct or not? They are all sweet stuff. However, everything here, they are what? The green ones are what? Kayla. What are the green ones that I have circled? Kayla, what are the green things that I have circled? Yes, they are candies. But do you see that the candies are also part of the bigger group of sweets? Kayla, can you focus? Are you focusing? I'm explaining because you got this question wrong, yeah? Okay, so do you see that the candies are part of the bigger group of sweets? Hello, I'm talking to you. So what is the correct answer? Which one is the bigger group?
Sweet.
Yes. Kayla, I want you to focus during class. Okay, look at the screen. I don't know what's on your left or on your right, but I want you to focus during class. Can you do that for me? Okay, so another way to look at this question is you can also look at this statement, like what Michaela tried to explain just now. Okay, imagine if I say boys are also children. Which one is the bigger group, Michaela? Boys or children?
Children.
Yes, because boys belong to this group that is called children. So same idea. So the answer is A. All right. Okay, good job, the three girls. Let's move on to the next question. Oh, so Michaela got this question wrong, not Kayla, is it? Not sure, never mind. Okay, next question is here. I will flip back if some of you need to read the question again. And then I'll flip back to the Kahoot. So what is the name of the last child? Who got this question correct? Raise your hand. Good. Who's the second one? Wen-Xing, very good. Okay, Wen-Xing, can you explain to us why is the last child or the last daughter called Olive?
Because they said Olive's mom.
Yes, Michaela and Si-en, look at the first question. Olive's mom has 5 daughters. So these are the names of the daughters, right? Michaela, whose
I
name is
cannot log
missing?
in inside.
Huh?
I can't log in.
What do you mean you can't log in?
I can't log in COVID in Kahoot.
Just now you logged in, right? You got kicked
Yeah.
out, is it? Can
Yeah.
you try again?
Okay.
The pin is on the chat group. Michaela, whose name is missing in the list of daughters' name?
Olive.
Yes. So answer should be what?
C.
Yeah, Michaela, are you having problems with the Kahoot? No. Okay. So I'm going to move on. All right. Oh, sir, now you're CE, is it? Is your new ID CE? I'll just assume it is. Okay. There are 10